press the bell icon for all the updates.
Karan, tell us a little bit about your association with this magnanimous designer duo and being here today.
Well, firstly, I've known Falguni and Shane for really long, and many, many years ago, I remember when Shane and Falguni wanted to do a men's line. They wanted to shoot their campaign with me, and that never happened. But I'm glad that they kept me in mind when they actually went into it full throttle. And the fact that Shane and Falguni said that their line was an inspiration, it's very flattering, and I hope people like it, because otherwise I would hate to be an insipid inspiration for anyone. But the clothes looked fabulous and flamboyant, extravagant, and yet exceptionally elegant, just the way Falguni and Shane like it, and just the way they state it. And I just think the show was completely rocking from the time it began till it ended. It felt like a 10-minute party, and I think when the ramp is converted into a party zone, that's when you enjoy the show even more. And so I've actually changed twice. I wore one jacket, and wasn't enough. I went back and even came back wearing something else. So I had a lot of fun. This is totally my zone. I'm half Sindhi, so bling goes with my territory. Bling is everything, and I think men should never shy away from shining, because, you know, I just think that it's their way of expressing their inner soul. And I believe that you should not think that just plain clothing is the way forward for a man. I think the androgynousness of their collection is exemplary.
Thank you. Karan, tell us a little bit about both the jackets and both the looks that you've been styled in.
Well, I think we weren't spoiled for choice. We had many choices, and then when we decided to open with that shimmery and shiny silver and black sequins jacket, and of course we coupled, it was their idea to go completely silver on the hair. This is the way I probably will age, so I hope I didn't look like Sonakshi's uncle on ramp. But other than that, it was like all them, their vision. We wanted to open with that, and then we decided to use the second jacket as well, which is a longer silhouette and had the same elements Sonakshi has actually, which is sequins and kind of upping and taking the dinner jacket and the trench coat pattern and silhouette to an higher, more fashionable level. It's the way the world is dressing today, and I'm so glad that our mainstream designers in India are actually pushing the fashion envelope and sometimes tearing it as well.